My favorite part about supervising Alejandra for the program is that she has an excitement and like a wonder approach to everything, and it kind of got me excited. Even if it's the most trivial task, like just filing papers, she kind of just went at it with a go-get-em attitude and was just really excited, and it got me like, yes, let's get this done.
I've actually learned a lot, and I'm hoping once I get to college I can apply these skills that I've learned and come back so I can help here.
I think it was really cool to be able to give back like a little bit with the program and with the city. I think it's really cool what the program's doing with placing interns in careers that they think they might want to get into. I didn't have that opportunity growing up, and that could have definitely helped me figure out more of what I wanted to do when I did graduate.
When I used to think about what people did in IT, I thought, oh, they just go around fixing people's computers. But I've learned that it's so much more than just that. You know, they go through their websites and they make changes and edits, which is crucial to businesses. And I think that my respect for people who work in the IT department has greatly increased as well.
All the stuff we do every day, we take it for granted. He's very green, he doesn't understand any of this, so it's really great to watch him learn and gain confidence how these procedures work.
Keller Williams has increased my passion for real estate because I like helping people, and this job is for helping people, and a bonus is to look at the pretty houses.
For me, it was a learning experience, just getting used to working with someone so young. I learned very quickly that to maintain high expectations, because the quality of interns that come from Partners in Ed is superior, and so we're able to task them with challenges and projects that I wouldn't have thought to give a high school student.